Okay, this problem is problem number 33, or chapter 33.5, and we're trying to find the magnetic field strength and direction at point P, or the dot in the question. And basically have a proton moving left at 2.0 times 10 to the 7th meters per second. And we have a point P where we're trying to find the B field, or magnetic field strength, and direction. So we have our dimensions of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Don't forget to change those back into meter. And so we have our equation from the Biot-Savart law, equals mu naught over 4 pi times the QV sine theta over r squared. And so we have pretty much all of our values from this picture right here. So we have the V as specified, we have Q, which is actually the fundamental charge of a proton, which is 1.6 e to the negative 19 coulombs, and we have our radius, r, is with the distance from P to the proton. And so also we have the angle between the point P, basically the angle between our radius and the horizontal, so which is 45 degrees, as you can see, because both of those 1 centimeters are, 145, 45, 90 triangle. Yeah. Okay, anyway, so now you just want to plug it in. Get this. Your 4 pi's cancel, leaving 10 to the negative 7th. And then the r, the square root in the r actually goes away because it's the Biot-Savart law has the r squared at the bottom, so that just goes away. And we just plug in our numbers and we get this. B equals negative 1.13137 e to the negative 15th Tesla in the k hat direction. Well, that's not just a typo. I just forgot to put the equal sign, but it is negative, because if you put by the right hand rule, you have your fingers going into the direction of the V, so fingers going to the left, and then you curl your fingers into the direction of R, but R goes upwards, so I have to flip around my hand, and so I can curl my fingers into the direction of R, basically from the proton to P. So if I curl my fingers like this way, our thumb points into the direction of the B field, which is into the page. Thus, it is negative. Into the page being negative, out of the page being positive. If our point were, say, let's say tip of the pen is P again, so if it was right here, so we could say our R, we could have our fingers in the direction of there, and curl fingers into P, and then it would point out the page would be positive. But in this case, we have our P that way, so fingers in direction, curl, thumb is pointing down. So that's why there's that negative there for the B. Alright, well, thank you for watching, and good luck.